Most of us think aging is inevitable, but Dr. Sinclair's 30-plus years of research proves otherwise. His groundbreaking work shows aging is a disease, and your diet can hack your longevity genes called sirtuins. These genes repair DNA, boost mitochondria, and fight inflammation, but they need the right triggers.
I've looked at my blood biochemistry and I'm actually now younger and healthier than I've ever been. But for most of those markers, I'm better than a 20-year-old for health. Yes, Mediterranean diet is just known to be healthy, and vegetarian and vegan diets are also conducive to longevity.
Dr. David Sinclair is a leading expert in the science of aging and how to slow it down. Originally from Australia, he's now a professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School and co-directs a major research center focused on aging. For years, he's been exploring how our bodies can repair themselves and stay younger for longer. His research into sirtuins, NAD+, and longevity genes has changed how we think about aging. He's also the author of the best-selling book Lifespan, where he shares powerful insights on how we can live not just longer lives, but healthier, more vibrant ones.
So we've discovered a group of longevity genes that are called sirtuins, and they control how fast we age. And what we've discovered is that there are molecules in foods that we eat that activate these defenses in our body that these genes control. Sirtuin-1 gene makes an enzyme that protects the body. It's activated chemically, physically, by a couple of really interesting molecules. One is resveratrol, which a lot of people know me for that discovery. That's the red wine molecule.
How red wine might help you live longer, in moderation. Red wine has long been associated with health benefits, particularly in relation to heart health and longevity. This connection is largely attributed to a compound called resveratrol, a natural polyphenol found in the skin of red grapes. Resveratrol is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help protect cells from damage and slow down the aging process. Dr. David Sinclair has highlighted resveratrol's role in activating sirtuins, a group of proteins that regulate cellular health, DNA repair, and metabolism. These proteins are thought to mimic the effects of calorie restriction, a proven method for extending lifespan in various organisms. In this way, moderate consumption of red wine may help trigger some of the cellular repair mechanisms associated with longevity. In addition to resveratrol, red wine contains other polyphenols like quercetin and catechins, which may contribute to improved blood vessel function and reduced oxidative stress. Together, these compounds support cardiovascular health, potentially lowering the risk of age-related diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. But here's the catch. It only works if you drink it in moderation. That means roughly 1 glass a day for women and up to 2 for men. Going overboard not only cancels out the benefits, but can also increase the risk of liver problems, certain cancers, and mental decline over time.
But more recently, another lab discovered that oleic acid, which is produced when we're hungry and our fat breaks down, but also we can get oleic acid from olive oil.
Olive oil, a natural key to healthier aging. Olive oil is packed with oleic acid, which helps activate genes that promote longer health span and just lifespan. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful ally for living a longer, healthier life. A cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is loaded with nutrients that support your body from the inside out. Its main healthy fat, oleic acid, is a type of monounsaturated fat known to improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol and reducing the risk of stroke. But olive oil doesn't stop there. It's also packed with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two major drivers of aging and chronic disease. Regularly using olive oil has been linked to better brain health, improved blood sugar control, and even a healthier gut. It helps keep blood vessels flexible and strong, which is key for maintaining good circulation and heart health as we age. What makes olive oil truly special is that it's not just a source of good fat, it's a functional, healing food. Populations that include it as a daily part of their diets often enjoy longer lifespans and lower rates of diseases like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and diabetes. To get the most benefits, go for high-quality extra virgin olive oil and use it in simple, fresh ways like drizzling over salads, veggies, or whole grain. It's a small daily habit that can make a big difference in how you. Avocados are often called a superfood for good reason. They're loaded with nutrients that can support long-term health and potentially contribute to a longer life. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados support cardiovascular health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and raising good HDL cholesterol. Since heart disease is still the leading cause of death globally, anything that supports heart function plays a big role in overall longevity. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados are rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major drivers of aging and chronic disease. Fiber also supports gut health, which is now known to play a significant role in everything from immune function to brain health. What's more, the healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more efficiently, meaning they can enhance the nutritional value of the other foods you eat. Researchers have also linked regular avocado consumption to a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase your risk of diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. In fact, some long-term studies have found that people who eat avocados regularly tend to have lower body weight and a smaller waist circumference. Don't let their size fool you. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses that can make a big difference when it comes to living a longer, healthier life. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, plant-based protein, antioxidants, and essential vitamins and minerals, nuts offer a well-rounded nutrient profile that supports everything from heart health to brain function. Regular nut consumption has been strongly linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases, especially heart disease, which is a major factor in longevity. One large study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who ate a handful of nuts daily had a 20% lower risk of dying from all causes over a 30-year period. That's a major impact for something so simple and snackable. Different nuts offer different benefits. Almonds are rich in vitamin E for skin and cell protection. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain and heart health. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a mineral important for thyroid function and immunity. Nuts also help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support healthy weight management thanks to their fiber and protein content, all crucial factors in aging gracefully. And here's the best part, you don't need a lot. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce a day, is enough to enjoy the benefits without overdoing the calories.
It may be that the benefits we get from those foods are largely because those foods are turning on our defense pathways against aging.
Yeah, so the amazing thing about the state of knowledge of humanity right now is that over the last few thousand years, humans have figured out to eat less often. There are states of fasting, most religions do that, but also the types of foods. Mediterranean diet is a good example. There's a Okinawan diet, which is a Japanese island that has mostly plants and a little bit of fish, but mostly it's not overeating. And there's not huge amounts of animal fat and animal products and dairy in a typical long-lived population that I just described. So that we've known for a long time, and it's crazy that we're debating this. Mediterranean diet is just known to be healthy, and vegetarian and vegan diets are also conducive to longevity.
There you have it, red wine. In moderation, olive oil, avocados and nuts, fasting-friendly plant foods, simple changes, big long-term impact. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's passionate about health and aging well. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips and health wisdom from the world's top researchers. Your journey to a longer, healthier life starts now. Comment below. Which of these longevity foods are already in your diet?